and today we're making tofu pudding, aka tofu fa. So there are many different ingredients. We use the 1, 2, 3 for these 3 ingredients. The first one, 1 teaspoon gypsum powder. So don't read it wrong. Second one, 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Third one, 3 teaspoons of water. And then
we need a bowl and a wooden spatula to mix them in later, I think.
You also need these kind of spoons which say 1/2 teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, 1 tablespoon, 1/4 teaspoon.
Like that.
And then you need 1 liter of soy milk. This one has 500, this one has 500.
So 500 plus 500 equals 1 liter.
Yeah. So you need to add the 1 liter of soya milk into the pan. And then you need the reason we're putting this in the pot is because we need it to be heated for the tofu fa to be yummy and hot.
Okay, warning kids. Now we need to open the fire, so you better get your parents' permission before you do so. Okay,
And
so
then
now we wait.
you need a spatula. You just do some stuff until it has very, very little bubbles. Not counting the milk.
Smooth.
So it needs to be smooth. It has to be really, really little bubbles, like it's starting to boil. But we can't get it to be too hot. We can't get it to be too hot, or else there will be like a piece of paper on top.
Which is not the effect that we wanted. Now in the meantime, as the soya milk just
It's
waits,
boiling?
yeah, we just start mixing these ingredients inside this bowl.
So first of all,
Make sure it's dry.
you got 1 teaspoon of gypsum powder.
2 teaspoons of cornstarch.
And last of all, very important, 3 teaspoons of water. Then you gotta mix them together.
Mix them well.
At the same time, you need to take care of the milk.
It seems like it has some kind of oobleck feeling. Wait, now it's starting to get the effect we
Bubbly,
wanted.
you
So,
see?
camera person, how may I give it a look?
So we should stop the fire. And then just
Now
let
this is a bit of a scary part. We lift it up and pour it in here, but it must have a distance.
2 hands together.
And so
Be careful.
That's what I can do it.
So, turns out she did it! And now we gotta put a towel over
Remember,
it.
you must do it immediately.
This is important because if you don't do this, the tofu pudding might get spoiled.
So now after put it on, you just wait for 30 minutes.
And then,
It will be ready.
and then you also need afterwards, you need to add some red sugar. We will explain that after. So now we're gonna find out the results.
Woohoo! Now open this in 3, 2, 1.
It's perfect.
Successful.
You can see it's smooth, it's kind of tough, and yeah. So let's
So
try.
now, if you want, you can put this inside a bowl. Success!
It's a beautiful sheet of tofu.
And now we put on some red sugar.
That's enough. It's very strong. And then you can actually just like mix it up.
Now let's taste.
It's very yummy, as she says. You're gonna mix it up so the sugar is, in the Philippines they call it magic sugar because it's very sweet. So it was a success. Please subscribe.